All right, we're here on lesson 2.3, histograms and percentile ranks, and what we're going to talk about today, the main focus will be these histograms. And the biggest question that we get is what's the difference between a histogram and a bar graph? And right here on page 5 of your white packet, you see the difference. On the left, we have a bar graph, and on the right, we have a histogram. So the basic difference is, in a histogram, the bars are smushed together. And the reason that they're smushed together is if you focus down here at the x-axis, you see sort of a number line down there. All right, we're talking about, in this problem, student height. And with a histogram, you'll have a number line on that x-axis. So we have in this first bin the students that are between 145 and 155 centimeters tall. And then it just pours right into the next bin. Each bar is technically known as a bin, okay? In the next bin, we have the students who are 155 to 165. So a histogram is chronological, meaning that it goes in order, while in a bar graph, you just have different categories, like student eye color, black, brown, blue, hazel, and green. Those aren't numbers. They're not in any specific order. They're just different categories, okay? So the one on the left is a bar graph. The one on the right is a histogram. I guess you could say a histogram is a different type of bar graph, where you have something in numerical order on the x-axis. Okay, so that's the biggest difference. And a couple other terms here. The first one is bin width. The bin width is, just like it sounds, how wide is each bin? So in this problem, what's the bin width? 145 to 155 is 10. So you would say that the bin width is 10 in this problem. The final question that we get often about histograms would be, where would someone fall if they're exactly 155 centimeters tall? So if they were 155, are they in this bin or are they in this bin? That's the biggest question that we get. If you're right on the boundary, where are you? The answer is they would be in this one, okay? If something lands right on the boundary, they are in the next bin to the right. So if someone's 165 centimeters tall, would they be in bin 1, 2, 3, or 4? They would be in bin 3. Okay? What about someone who's 174.9? 1, 2, 3, or 4? They would also be in bin 3. But if they were exactly 175, they would be in bin 4. Whoa. All right? So those are sort of the basics of what a histogram is. That's a good